Hey there, Disney fans and parents looking to make their child's dreams come true. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly magical to share with you. Introducing the Jasmine Costume for Kids, a piece of enchantment brought to life by Disney. This costume is not just clothing. It's a gateway to a world of wonder and imagination. Let's dive into the details. With its stunning shoulderless design and ankle-length silhouette, it captures the regal essence of Jasmine herself. The sequined embellishments add that touch of sparkle and magic every child adores. And here's the best part. It's a Disney product, which means quality and authenticity are guaranteed. Disney's commitment to craftsmanship shines through in every stitch. But this costume is more than just a beautiful outfit. It's perfect for every season, suitable for ages 25 months to 12 years, and ideal for various occasions. Imagine your child wearing this to a home party, a classmate gathering, or even as a stunning cosplay outfit. It's perfect for holiday photos. And of course, a must have for birthdays, Halloween, and Christmas parties. In conclusion, the Jasmine Costume for Kids is the perfect gift to make your child's dreams come true. Order one today and witness the joy and wonder it brings as your little one steps into the world of Jasmine. Let their imagination soar in the mystical land of Agrabah. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this exquisite costume by Disney. Your child deserves to shine like a true Disney princess. Thanks for joining us today. And until next time, stay magical.